This fakeaway Chinese is full of flavour, really satisfying, and made in a way that works beautifully with Slimming World. No faff, no fuss, no need to feel like you're missing out. Start with the broccoli, cover it with boiling water for about 3 minutes so softens slightly and cooks quicker. Drain and add it to a hot pan with peppers and carrots and cook for about 5 minutes in a little 1-cal cooking spray. This is one of those really simple Slimming World habits that still gives you loads of flavour without needing to add any oil. Add ginger and cook for a minute, then tip in the bamboo shoots. The liquid from the tin helps keep everything juicy and flavourful without adding anything extra. Next, pop the lean beef into a smoking pan till it's cooked how you like it. We did 3 minutes on each side for medium rare. Take it off the heat and let it rest for a few minutes. Mix with oyster sauce and soy sauce and stir in a tablespoon of corn flour with a little water and cook for a couple of minutes until it thickens and coats everything nicely. Add the sliced beef and serve with rice.